Woman indicted on multiple counts of sex assault against a minor got her case dropped.
Rika Shimizu was the owner of a boarding home for Japanese exchange students when she was accused of sexually assaulting a teen boy. But in court today, prosecutors dropped her case.
Bridget Namato found out why. Bridget.
Marissa Dash, according to court papers, the alleged victim in the case refused to testify in court. But I'm told this latest development isn't exactly what Shimizu wanted.
Rika Shimizu's trial was set for January 7th. Her attorney, Victor Baki, says the prosecutors met with the judge and asked to drop the case. The teenager, who told police Shimizu sexually assaulted him multiple times during his stay at her boarding house, said he will not testify in court.
She wanted her day in court. She wanted to prove that she was not guilty. We were ready to go to trial, and that was taken away from us. So it's a mixed blessing in a way. We got the case dismissed, but we didn't get our day in court.
The case was dismissed without prejudice, meaning there's a chance it could reopen.
Without that dismissal, permanent dismissal, she has no closure to this case. She's still facing prosecution. She has immigration consequences. She has business consequences. It's just left open hanging.
Baki says the judge threw out key evidence in the case because police and U.S. Marshals searched her home without a warrant and did not contact the Japanese consulate. Still, Shimizu lost her business and spent over 45 days in jail before being released. I'm told the 36-year-old Japanese national was facing prison time before prosecutors eventually offered a deal to drop the felony charges to a misdemeanor, which she refused.
You're talking sitting in a foreign country, in a foreign prison. She doesn't speak much English, isolated from her friends and family. Her business has been destroyed. Even though she did eventually get out on supervised release, she had no way to support herself because her business had been closed. She's been through hell. And she wasn't going to back down.
Shimizu maintains she is innocent.
We're just on pins and needles for the rest of her life.
I reached out to the prosecutor's office for comment, but the prosecutor in the case was unavailable. Marissa.